How to download your PS3 games on your PC. So to play any PS3 games on your PC, you will need an emulator called PS3 emulator, that is RPCS3. So you can basically search in for that particular emulator, that is RPCS3 emulator, by simply any of your favorite browser and simply download it. So the second step, what you can do is you have to have a 64-bit Windows or Linux operating system and 8 GB plus RAM if possible, and you also need a GPU with a AMD or NVIDIA support. So second step, you have to download the emulator RPCS3 after making sure your system requirement is valid. So you can basically install the PS3 firmware by simply heading over to this website. This is the official website. You can copy it from over here and download the official PS3 system software update. And once you do that, just go to file and install firmware and select the download.pub file. So once you get the PS3 games files, that is legal in a legal way, you need games in ISO or package or folder formats. So there are three ways, that is dump your own PS3 discs using a compatible Blu-ray drive or use digital backups, or you can also download PS3 games legally from different websites, but you must own the original. So you may not use pirated games because those contains virus, so you just have to load the game into RPCS3 emulator once you successfully download it. So just drag the game folder into or file into the RPCS window or use any file and simply add games. So once you add the game, configure the controls and graphics by simply heading over to its settings and just double click on any game icon once you load it to successfully launch and start playing that game. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.